Let's play hide and seek in a bag. This is what you'll need. You can print out a copy of the printable from the link below. To make this sensory bag, we'll be using colored rice as the bag's filler. Add in other accessories to make it more attractive for play. I love using a wide selection of materials when curating any type of sensory play as they contribute to the entire aesthetic appeal. Our beautiful hide-and-seek sensory bag is ready. Let's play! Place the printable underneath the rice sensory bag. We are placing the panda side up first. Push the rice around to reveal the animals behind the bag. See if your child can find more pandas hiding in the jungle. Let's switch to the other side of the printable now. What jungle animals can your child find? Push the rice around the bag again to reveal some jungle animals. Hope you have fun playing jungle hide and seek with your little one using this sensory bag.